Hi, my name is Yuri from Better to Be Outside, and this is another product review. Today we're going to talk about the Fidlock bottle system, the only system for the bike packer. Today we're in beautiful Croatia. I found us another little beautiful spot to do our review about the Fidlock bottle system. So what is the Fidlock bottle system? The Fidlock bottle system is a system where your bottle is connected to your bike and you can just twist it to the side, take it out and twist it and put it back inside. So there is a big advantage what you have when you have like a bag like this, which you have when you are bike packing and you want to put a water bottle. If you have a conventional system, you have to put it out like this. That does not work. With the twist lock system, you can just click it in and click it out. When I first bought the bottles, and Christina has it also on her bicycle, I put them on and I was a little bit worried about the inner system that it's that would kind of go, or that my bicycle, that my bottle would fall out. No, we're doing a lot of off-road riding with these bikes, and not one time did the bottle fell off. So are there any inconveniences of this system? The only problem is when you lose a bottle and you're somewhere like in Indonesia, this system is not easy to find, so you will have to go back to your old system. So if you lose one of these bottles, it's very hard to replace because there's not a lot of bottles on the market with this system. Fidlock now created a system where you have two little wires around in which you can put any bottle. Also the bottles are updated a little bit. We still have this old ring which kind of holds on to the bottle, but the new bottles are much stronger. There's also small bags which you can click in the same manner to this system. So if this is something you'd like me to review, I can buy it and then we'll see how that works out. It looks really interesting for me. As always, thanks very much for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. It means a lot to us and it's a small gesture for you. If you like to get more reviews, there's lots more on our channel, so subscribe to it and we'll keep you updated with new content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.